No.
All right, I'm gonna let you through the gate right here. Just go through the gate and pull off to the right here. Jim's gonna be right here to meet you guys.
Okay. Well, check this packet out, man. This weekend's gonna be interesting because we get a golf cart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something new. Always up for trying that.
Never been here.
Yeah.
And it's already just the grounds, what I can see, very well kept.
Yeah, it's gated.
Beautiful.
That's very nice.
So
can't wait to check it out and see what's
plus,
happening.
It's a water weekend, and I don't even know what that means. They just said bring squirt guns. There's gonna be water fights.
Yeah. We got that.
So who can pass that up?
Well, this must be the weekend activities.
Yes.
And from what I read on this campground, it is it's a weekend that, or every weekend they do different activities, and this weekend is a water course all weekend long. I guess we're gonna get wet.
Welcome. So I'm gonna take you to your site. I'm gonna show you what it is. Jeremy's gonna bring the golf cart we reserved up for you guys. See, it's a big place, so you're gonna need it.
Okay.
Okay. You can use it or not, but
Yeah,
All for it.
okay.
I'm excited.
Perfect. You ready?
Here's our golf cart. And it's a gas-powered one. I believe they rent these, so I'll find out how much they are for sure.
Hey, we're Mike and Joni of Those Who Glamp Together. Welcome back to the channel. This weekend, we find ourselves at Erie Landing RV Resort. Looks like it's going to be a wild, wonderful, wet weekend.
This weekend's going to be a little special too because we have a golf cart. Will get us around. This place is really big, so we figured a golf cart might be pretty handy.
I was told it's a mile from end to end.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go check it out. We have to run to the store real quick because I forgot.
Well, we hope their store has what we need.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what their store has. I'm out of trash bags.
Yeah, it's RV life.
We'll make do.
All right, so first impressions, just off the bat, the place is well taken care of. It's got a beautiful entrance, and it's massive.
Yeah.
I mean, they said over 400 plus sites, and they're adding 100 plus more.
I couldn't believe how big it was.
So it's like constant work going on here all the time, but
We have golf cart parking.
golf cart parking.
Unless this is the rental. This could be the rental.
Could be.
Too. I don't know if you heard him tell us earlier, but they bring food trucks in for the weekend.
They have a dessert food truck coming later.
I know, we're not missing that.
I'm excited.
I am too.
It's the little things, right?
It is.
It's the little things.
We're gonna go in this clubhouse to see if they have some trash bags and bourbon chicken. Talk about a squirrel moment. Yummo. Wow. This is a store, man. Check it out. That is way too cool. More stuff on this side. Store's so big I lost Mike. Store's so big I lost you. Did you find trash bags? That's okay.
Trash bags.
We don't really need them, but we'll make do. Looks like they have all your supply needs. Oh wow. Yeah. Got a lot of camper supplies.
We added you guys to our message board.
That's so cute. I have to take a picture.
Yeah, one of our.
She did good.
So those are our mascots.
That's a very pleasant surprise. Thank you. Holy cow, I've never been a place where I had We're gonna take advantage of them having a food truck here. Actually, 2 food truck. There's a place to eat dinner, and then there's a place, what, for dessert? Are we doing both?
Well, we're gonna do dinner, then we'll go back for dessert.
Okay. More of an excuse to ride the golf cart. I need an excuse right now.
Those Who Glamp Together.
Those Who Glamp Together.
Hey, precious cargo.
Yeah, it's still hot. Keep it over.
This is great. We don't even have to cook. Oh. These are truffle fries.
Good morning. I know we're sitting in the shade. It's a little dark, but we just got out.
Mike made some breakfast.
Made some breakfast. We got some breakfast on the way. Just some scrambled eggs and sausage. Carfagna sausage. So good. Their meats are good, period. But today is the wet and wild day. So what I understand is you can just be walking around and somebody could smack you with a water balloon or shoot you with a water gun, something.
Just make sure you wear something you don't care if it gets wet.
Well, wet doesn't hurt anything.
You can say no and they don't.
You can say no to them and they won't do it, but
There's also some kind of obstacle course with a slide.
yeah, there's a water obstacle course
Or a slide of
with
some
a
sort.
slide of some sort. I think that's more for kids. I don't think they want somebody my size jumping around in there, but you never know. We may try it, but we're going to enjoy breakfast, maybe take a walk. It looks like it's a beautiful day. We were expecting rain all weekend. Hasn't happened yet, so thank goodness for that. So yeah, we'll get back with you on our walk maybe, and we're going to enjoy breakfast. All right, so just a couple things about this campground. Wi-Fi or cell signal. We have AT&T and our signal is very low. Sorry. Wi-Fi doesn't really reach out where we are. If you're out by the rec center, people drive by, the Wi-Fi is very strong, so that works out well. Secondly, since you can't get like a good signal here, at least with AT&T, we don't know about the others, there's not a lot of trees, so if you have Starlink, it would work out very well here. So as you can see, there's not a lot of mature trees. There's some, but not to stop Starlink from finding its satellites.
Are you letting me drive?
Well, you're the Mario Andretti of the group, so.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
So this is the Portage River that the campground is on. From here, it's like 45 minutes to get out to Lake Erie down the river. All right, so it's almost 11 o'clock. I think we're going to go enjoy the pool for a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know when all the stuff for the wet and wild weekend happens. I imagine first time I get hit by a water balloon, it'll be on. It's just us and one other person in the pool, so it's a really pretty pool though.
Yeah. Heated too. So
Heated, so we shouldn't have
lasts longer.
any moments of angst.
Last time the KOA
It was cold.
Mount Gilead had a cold pool.
Yeah, so
For the middle of the summer, it was cold.
So we're going to go enjoy the pool for a little bit and see what other activities they have.
Oh no. We don't even have our squirt guns ready. Oh, it's gonna happen. Oh, oh. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, JG just got us. The older one was one in my lap too. Oh wow, they're a team, man.
Yeah, he's got like a 50-gallon drum. Since we just got attacked by the staff of this place, they had a 50-gallon stinking water tank that they were using with a full-powered squirt. This doesn't match up, but it's something. We can be sneaky, sneak up behind them and shoot them as we drive by. That's my plan. That's like 10 ounces of water is all we got. versus their 50 gallons. And they got balloons that,
Is that leaking?
you know,
Oh, okay.
seals pretty good. And they got balloons that they have their hired hands filling up and throwing at people. So it's on, Jen. It's on.
They don't shoot very far.
No, it takes a couple
Dang
pumps. Gotta get it in the. Really?
I just wanted to. I just wanted to see if it would
Really? You're
work.
supposed to be on my team.
We're on the same team.
Not anymore. Glampers. Those who glamp together.
And oh, he's eyeing you. It's gonna be a surprise attack. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Uh-oh.
Run, run, run!
They don't know this is coming. This will be a surprise attack.
First of all, shout out to Steve and Denise. We met them in swimming, had a really cool conversation with them.
Mm-hmm.
They said, hey, we went to see their place, drop them off a sticker, and they let us borrow these versus
Yeah.
our little gun, and they let us borrow a bucket.
Yeah. We'll take it back to them when we're
We'll take
done.
it back to them.
Don't break 'em.
This afternoon. But thank you guys so much. This shoots a lot further than
Yeah.
my gun. Yeah, they're over that way somewhere because they went around.
All right, we found them.
So if you go up against Jen and them, you got to be on the right-hand side because they're right-handed, and they want to throw, and they have to throw back-handed that way.
Oh, they're coming this way.
Turn. Go left.
Are they coming? Oh crap! Where are they? Oh, I see. Okay.
I know coming right here.
Yep,
so we
there.
can't let them see us there.
Yeah.
Just stay right here. And here we got this. The shelter is if they go that way.
And we got a getaway car. Just down there. Oh, they're over here on this side, They're coming on this side. You need to wait till they get closer. I'm glad there's no stinky trash right now. Yeah. Are they turning?
The dude with the
Yeah. He's the only one not getting wet. Here. I'm gonna go get the golf cart. Come on. Grab it. I gotta get the golf cart. I gotta go save Mike. Oh my word, he got you good. Jen just said come follow them.
They just don't want to get attacked. Wolverine!
Oh, I thought we were doing Mission Impossible theme. Now we're doing Wolverine.
Just spread on.
Oh,
I'm all over the place.
yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's go. Catch up. You don't need a shower now. We're gonna get wet.
You gotta,
They came prepared. Oh boy, I think we're gonna get wet. We will get ready. Oh, there's a dark post. What the heck? You need your fucking water. Oh, that was a good one.
okay, they had water hoses at that place. 2 of them, so they were prepared.
They were very prepared. just went through a rainstorm. I'm just gonna clean the golf cart up so we can ride on it and go get some dinner.
This is for the Wet and Wild weekend.
So they moved the food trucks up over here by the hotel. So that way when the band starts at 7, if somebody wants food, the food trucks are right here. Never had this kind of a pizza before.
Pizza burrito. It's basically just a Mexican pizza.
These are so good. This one has pork in it.
Sweets for my sweet.
Aww. So you got me peach with a scoop of ice cream. Come on. They have some scavenger hunts here, so we're gonna leave a few of these behind. So we're gonna challenge people to come find our stickers. We'll tell you how many we're gonna put up. So there's one. This one here is electrifying. This one's a little fishy, but it has a great view. Your next hint is you've got mail. All right, so we're gonna head over and check out the band that they brought in for the weekend. And this is something they tend to do every weekend. And they do it right here at the hotel, right on the front of the hotel. So we're gonna go check it out.
80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010, 2020s, country, R&B, hip hop, rock and roll.
One of the easiest things to do is find flaws in something or someone. When that's your focus, you're probably missing out on blessings and joy that were there for the taking. We camped at a resort on Erie Landing, and guess what? They have flaws. But what Joni and I didn't do is constantly make their flaws our focus. Instead, we met some amazing people like Steve and Denise. We had a blast with Jen and her staff having water wars. We met some wonderful ladies having cocktails at their tiki bar, enjoying their evening together. We enjoyed live music, and it was so cool to see almost the complete campground dancing and singing. We all know that tomorrow isn't promised. So if you are blessed enough to wake up, try to find the blessings and joy in all the things despite the flaws. Happy glamping.